this two-part tutorial, you're going to learn how to stake your Quick in order to earn the liquidity token, DQuick, and how to stake your DQuick to compound your earnings with Dragon's Syrup. We're on quickswap.exchange. Always be sure that you have the correct address in the browser. From the main swap interface, we're going to hover over Farms and go to Liquidity Pair Mining. Under Dragon's Lair, we're going to click Manage. This wallet is connected to MetaMask and currently has 0.08 Quick tokens available. We're going to click Deposit. For this tutorial, click the max amount. We'll approve it. We'll confirm the approval inside of MetaMask. Okay, we're approved. Let's click Deposit. As per usual, our fees on Matic are very, very low. And now that our transaction is confirmed, we can see that our Quick balance that's being staked right now shows up in QuickSwap. We can deposit more or we can withdraw. Let's leave it staked for now and move on to part 2. For part 2, hover over Farms again and click on Dragon's Syrup. In order to begin staking DQuick, we need to choose which pool we'd like to stake in. Choose the pool that makes the most sense for you. For this tutorial, we're simply going to deposit into the WOW pool. We'll have a different number of DQuick tokens than Quick, but it's okay. We still have 0.08 Quick. It's just not shown here. We're going to deposit our maximum amount. Again, we'll need to confirm the approval in MetaMask. The fee is extremely low. Now that the approval is confirmed, we'll click Deposit. Again, we need to confirm the deposit in MetaMask. And again, the fee is very low. Our transaction is submitted, we've deposited all of our DQuick, and in about 24 hours, we should notice some additional gains from staking our DQuick into the WOW pool. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Please remember to check out all of the QuickSwap socials you see in the description of this video and to subscribe for more QuickSwap tutorials.